Welcome to English Speedcast.
Hey, Aisha. You look deep in thought. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just thinking about something big.
Something big. Now I'm curious. What is it?
Well, I want to start my own business.
Really? Wow. What kind of business?
A bakery. I want to bake cakes, cookies, and fresh bread. It's my dream.
Bakery. That sounds nice. You always make great cupcakes. But why are you thinking about this now?
Because my job feels empty. Every day is the same. Wake up, go to work, finish work, come home. I don't feel happy anymore.
I see. So you want to quit your job?
Maybe, yes. I'm thinking about it.
Wow. That is big. But tell me, Aisha, have you thought about the money?
A little. I have some savings. Not a lot, but some.
A bakery needs equipment. An oven, a mixer, ingredients, rent, bills, all that. Do you think your savings are enough?
I don't know. That is the part that scares me.
What about competition? Are there many bakeries in your area?
Yes, a few, but I think I can make something special, something different.
Like what?
Maybe healthy desserts, gluten-free cakes, sugar-free cookies. Many people ask me for these things already.
Okay, that sounds like a smart idea. But still, quitting your job suddenly might be risky.
I know, but staying in my job feels wrong too.
Tell me more. Why does it feel wrong?
Because I don't feel myself there. I don't use my creativity. I just sit, type, answer emails. No joy, no passion.
Ah, passion. Yes. You really love baking. I see your eyes shine when you talk about it.
Really?
Yes. And your treats are amazing. Remember last month? My sister loved your chocolate cake.
She did. That makes me happy.
See? But listen, maybe you don't need to quit your job right now.
Then what should I do?
Start small, step by step, you know?
Step by step. What do you mean?
For example, try weekend pop-up stalls. You can sell your cakes in the park or at small events.
Oh, like a Saturday market.
Exactly. You can test your recipes, see what people like, and you don't spend too much money at first.
That sounds safe and fun.
You can also take online orders. People love ordering food on social media.
Yes, I can post photos of my cakes, maybe even record baking videos.
Great idea. And after a few months, if things go well, you can grow your business.
And then maybe quit my job?
Yes. That way, you're not jumping into the dark. You're walking with light.
I like that. Walking with light, not jumping into the dark.
See? You're already thinking more clearly.
Thank you, Tom. I was scared. I thought maybe my dream was silly.
Hey, dreams are never silly. They just need smart planning.
You're right. Maybe I can start this weekend. A small pop-up table in the park.
Yes, I'll help you set it up. I can carry things, set the table, anything.
Really? That means a lot to me.
Of course. Friends help friends.
Tom, I feel more confident now.
Good. You should. You have talent. You just need to begin slowly.
I will. I promise. Thank you for believing in me.
Always. Now, can I get a free cupcake from your future bakery?
Yes, you can have 2 cupcakes free.
Deal. Then let's make your dream come true, step by step.
Step by step. I like that. Let's do it.